What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a competitor channel in your Vidiq account. Once you sign into your account, you want to scroll down towards the right hand side and you will find a competitor section. So here you can add competitors. So you will find the add competitor button, click on add, and here you can search for a channel. So let's say I want to add channel guide rum, so I can simply type in guide rum as an example and allow it to search for the channel. Once you find a channel, you will see a plus towards the right hand side. Add it by clicking on the plus, then you will realize at the lower right it says one competitor added. You can click on that and that's going to now add the competitor channel to the list of channels that you have. And that's how you go ahead and add a competitor channel using your Vidiq app. Very easy and very simple. Now what does this do? It allows you to track and see what your competitors are doing. So in order to view that, you can simply click the view all button. It's going to take you over to the research section where you can quickly track between those different competitors to see how things are actually going. So here you can see, for example, this channel, you can see what's going on here. It's showing all of those different channels combined together. You can compare performance throughout the day. You can scroll down and you can see how each look. In order to get a quick individual view of each channel, you can just deselect one channel and just select one particular channel. Once you select that one particular channel, it's going to give you the stats of that one particular channel so that you can see, and you can compare two channels at a time or even three. So let's do, for example, these two, and you can see how they're actually comparing. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and basically add a competitor channel and how to actually view those competitor channel. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.